no, yeah, no, no, yeah, no, no, hey, hey, no.
Hello and welcome back again to Susan Good TV. How are you all doing? I hope fine. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my daughter's hair, and I also want to take you guys along. So before we start, I quickly want to show you or to introduce this oil I'm using for my daughter. If you'll be following my video, you will see when I used to make her hair was just like remain the way it is. It was not growing nor even getting fuller. So that was when I came across this oil I'm using on them, and it's really amazing. So this is the oil I made myself, and you will be seeing the thumbnail in the video. Alright guys, so this is a simple hairstyle I just want to make for her, and I hope you like the video. So please, if you do, tell me what you think about this hair, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much guys. If you like what we are doing here and this is the first time you are coming across this channel, Susan Good TV, please don't forget to subscribe to Susan Good TV and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate your support. To my returning subscriber, thank you for your support, and I ask that you keep supporting this channel. I appreciate you all. Thank you. So what I'm using on this hair is already prepared extension. Alright, so I'm gonna be making it just a cornrow, but very easy to follow. Alright guys, I will just leave you to watch the video and also to enjoy the music, and I hope to see you in my next video. And another thing guys, this jam and shine and jam, sorry, that I'm using, you're gonna be seeing the link in the description area. Okay, so in case you are interested, you can just click on it and buy it. It is very nice. It doesn't make your hair, you know, there are some hair control that you use, it gives you this white substance later, you know, it makes your hair look horror. So I tried this one and it's good. Trust me guys, I have been using it for my customers and also for myself and for my kids. It is really good. You know that name they say shine, it is really shiny. So it worth trying guys. Alright guys, thank you so much and bye for now. Love you guys.
C'est la vie. And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright.
Yeah, no, no.